Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have some exciting news. I have been working with Sabrina from Valkyrie's Corner. I'll post the link to her channel down in the description. You should definitely check her out and subscribe. But I had a product idea and together we made it. So this is a split pouring cup. This one is 8 ounces. And I'm going to try it out for you on today's video. I need to know 2 things. 1, how do you like it? And 2, please let me know if this is something that if we're selling it, you would buy or not. We can also make it in different sizes. So let's go ahead and we're going to do the test. So first, underneath here, I have a black Arteza canvas. These come like this. It's super cool. I'll post a link down for that in the description as well. And I thought I would keep it simple and elegant. So I'm going to put black on one side. This is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics mixed with floetrol and water. And on the other side, I'm going to put, this is a bronze, which is Arteza metallic. And then this is a kind of a yellow gold that I made mixing the bronze and some yellow together. So I'm going to put that on the other side. So basically it's going to be black and gold. And I'm going to have the different shades of gold in there basically. And we're going to do, it'll be a kind of like a kiss pour, right? Split cup. Cool. I'm very, very, very excited about this. I'll put a little more black in this side. Okay. And then for a 12-ounce canvas, I am normally going to use about 9 ounces of color. So I'm going to also put a little bit on the canvas, just since the cup holds 8 ounces. All right. Here we go. Super exciting. So the cool thing about this is it's pouring the colors together in one cup. So having the same effect as, say, like I said, like a kiss pour, soulmate pour. There's multiple different names for this technique. And I could not be happier. Plus, to be honest, I've never really made a product. So I'm really excited about this. Yeah, I definitely had this idea doing all these different pours, and she was able to help me come up with actually making it. So very exciting. And it's just plastic, you guys. So reusable. You can either, honestly, probably best if you want to really maintain it is to wash it out. But you can also just let it dry and reuse it. Yeah. So there you go. Super cool painting too. Kept it very simple. A little more yellow than I wanted, but that's kind of just because I ran out of my bronze mixture. But that's okay. I really like this. Let's let it sit for a little bit and then we will do our close-up. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and do our close-up here. So lower right-hand corner. I love the simplicity of this piece. Upper right-hand corner here. Upper left-hand corner. Also, I really don't use yellow very often. Like just kind of by itself, you know. So I kind of really like this. And we do still have the bronze in there. So it's not just kind of a solid color. Yeah, so lower left-hand corner. And overall piece. Okay, guys, so I need you to do a few things for me. One is to check out Sabrina's channel. Once again, it'll be down in the description with the link. Please, please check it out and give her a subscribe. She's awesome. 2, let me know what you think of the cup and if it's something that you would be interested in. Also, 3, let me know if you would be interested in the cup in different sizes. I personally think this 8-ounce one is great, but also a 16-ounce would probably be great as well for some larger paintings. You know, and maybe we could sell them as a set. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time.